Right, welcome back to the channel. No Land Rover today, as we're still trying to get an engine for it. But I've well, stumbled across a gold mine. I've come down here to a place to buy some leather seats for my MG3, and there is some awesome stuff here. Let me just spin you around, have a look at this. Got a 59 Ford Thunderbird, which is apparently it's been here for like 15 years. An old Beetle. But the piece de resistance is in that workshop. Right, so we've got a 71 MG midget. And up the back, oh yes, 1976 Granada Coupe. I haven't seen one of these for years. That is awesome. Tyler's just uncovering it now, look, and we got a Mark 1 Fiesta. Nice, I do love an old school Ford. $40,000 from new. Wicked. That's a 1600 cross low he's got to go in it.
A bit of work.
Yeah, and that's just the standard lump in it. Was it it's a third? It's a.
Just 1 litre.
Oh, it's just 1 litre, is it?
Yeah. 1 litre four-speed manual choke.
That should be much better once that 16's in there.
So we've just done all the scuttle panel, rear arches.
Yeah.
Lower front panels going in, cross member.
Awesome.
1983. One of the last Mark 1s.
Yeah, you don't see them around no more, do you? I haven't seen a Mark 1 for ages.
Lots of Mark 2 still.
Yeah. Well, you see him now. I haven't seen a Mark 2 for a little while.
No.
But yeah, I haven't seen a Mark 1 for years. Wicked. Nice one, mate. That one's taken a bit of a thump, isn't it? I wanted the matching door cards for the seats. And 3 out of 4 were good, so I just need to find a driver's one. Yeah, that one's been through the walls a little bit. Yeah. Bit of a mess. But that's the reason why I came up here. I fitted the leather interior from a Starlux. Right, it's the following day. I'd like to say a big thanks for Tyler for showing me around his place yesterday when I went to pick up my my new seats. And it was a last minute thing to make a little video. And I asked if I could film. He said, yeah, as long as you blank out all the number plates. So I said, okay, I'll do that. I said at the beginning of this video, because obviously this was filmed yesterday, the first part was filmed yesterday, that no Rover Sport because we haven't got an engine. Well, we have got an engine now, and we are picking it up on Monday. So we should have that coming. We should have another episode on that coming for you sometime in the week, if not next weekend. We'll see how we get on with it anyway. So until then, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.